In this video, I'm going to show you 10 best money making apps that you can use to make money on your phone every single day. Now, the last two apps I will show in this video are the most powerful money making apps, so make sure you watch until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Arena at Home. I do how-to online videos as well as work from home gigs. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel for more of that great content. The first one is Swagbucks. Now, Swagbucks is one of the best money-making apps in the world, and you can do many things on Swagbucks and get paid, like surveys, watching videos, playing games, and you can even get paid for listening to music. So all you need to do is create an account. I like you to put your email address here, your password, and confirm your password. After that, go ahead and click sign up. It will then bring you to this page and you can go through everything. Click agree. Then go to your account and click on discover. And here you can listen to music, watch videos, play games. You can do anything on this app. These are the things you do every day. So why not do it on Swagbucks and get paid for it? You just go to redeem pay and this is where you get paid. The most popular rewards are PayPal and Amazon gift cards. The next money making app is Fop. So if you like taking photos, then you can make money by selling photos and videos on this Fop, and it can be any photos. When a brand or anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or a photo from you, Fop shares the profit with you 50-50. So each photo sells for $10, but you will be splitting the money with Fop. You will be getting $5 and Fop will be getting $5. So you'll be getting $5 for each photo, and you can upload as many photos as you like. You can download the app on your smartphone or tablet and get started with Fop. The next app is Earn Cash Reward. This app pays you money after downloading, and this is the app that has many downloads. You can scroll down and see how many downloads the app has. So this app has 10 million downloads, 4.4 ratings, almost 5 stars, and there is a lot of ways you can make money on this app. You can make money playing games, music, shopping, and even charging. You can also get paid by inviting friends. You get paid PayPal and Amazon gift cards. The next money-making app is M4Jam. This app allows you to get paid for completing small tasks. To sign up, you need to be over 18 years old, and this app only works on Android phones. You do simple tasks like completing a survey, taking a photo. You can also earn money for inviting friends, and the money gets paid into your wallet, and then you can withdraw from your wallet at any ShopRite. The next one is Toluna. Now, Toluna is the best survey app in South Africa. You get paid for completing normal surveys, profile surveys, and for referring a friend as well. And you can play games on this app and get paid. You get paid through PayPal or Amazon gift cards. The next money-making app is CashUp. Now with CashUp, you can complete easy tasks such as watching videos, completing surveys, and giving your opinion. Now with this app, you will need a PayPal account because they only pay PayPal. So you can scroll down and see the reviews. You can also use the app to send money to friends, receive money from friends, pay for stuff, buy and sell Bitcoin. So it's really a good app. The next app is UserFeel. This app is available for all of the devices. All you need to do is give your opinion, like was it easy to navigate, was it hard to navigate, and you can click here and learn more about it. They also pay you through PayPal or Amazon gift cards. The next one is Earn Easy Cash. This is a high-paying survey that you can use to make quick money, and they pay you through PayPal. And this is how it works. You complete surveys and get free money every day. Request a payout of your earnings to your PayPal account. And the review rating is 4.9, so you can make money on this app. The next one is Fiverr. If you do not have any idea about Fiverr.com, so let me explain it to you really quick. Fiverr.com is an amazing freelancing website that allows you to sell different services. You sign up for free, set up your gig, and offer your work to your clients. People order your services and then you get notified and use the system to discuss details with the clients. You get paid on time every time and you simply make money with it. And our number one on this list is Instagram. Now, Instagram is the best app you can use to make money online because there are so many ways you can make money on Instagram. You don't even need to have many followers to make money on Instagram. You can make money from sponsored posts. You can also make money from selling other people's products. And there is many more ways you can make money on Instagram. But I will make a video on how to make money on Instagram. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell button so you will be notified every time I upload new videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.